In today's video, I will walk you through how to manage withdrawal security on Bitfinex. Managing your withdrawal security is an important part of protecting your funds on Bitfinex. The platform offers several security features that help you control how withdrawals are processed and reduce the risk of unauthorized transactions. To begin, open your account settings and navigate to the Security section. Once you're in the Security section, look for Withdrawal Settings and open it. You can toggle on Monitor Withdrawals by IP. Bitfinex will send an email confirmation to verify the withdrawal. You can also toggle on Lock Withdrawals for 24 hours when a new IP address is used, so you can only withdraw from your trusted device. You can also turn on Custom Withdrawal Check to add a secret phrase to the withdrawal confirmation image. Changing any of these settings may ask you to complete one or more security verification steps, such as confirming the request through two-factor authentication, email verification, or any other security measures enabled on your account. As your security needs change, you can return to these settings at any time to update your preferences, add new trusted withdrawal addresses, or strengthen your account protection using the available security features. It's also a good practice to periodically review your recent account activity and withdrawal history. Checking these records allows you to confirm that all withdrawal-related actions were authorized by you. And that's how to manage withdrawal security on Bitfinex.